Calling all drone dreamers, stuck choosing the perfect DJI drone for you in 2024? Don't sweat it. We're breaking down the hottest models, from the ultra-portable Mini 3 Pro to the filming powerhouse Mavic 3 Pro. Get ready to take your aerial adventures to epic new heights. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro, following the trailblazing Mini 3 Pro, redefines possibilities in the sub-250G weight category. With a remotely rotatable camera, it enhances video capabilities to 100 fps at 4K and introduces all-round collision sensors. The 1x1.3 dual native ISO sensor excels in low-light conditions, and the increased range allows shooting from up to 20 kilometers or 12 miles away. This drone is a creative powerhouse, capturing 48MP stills or 4K video, shooting in D-Log, and featuring DJI's intelligent flight features, including obstacle avoidance. DJI offers a controller with a built-in 5.5-inch screen and a budget-friendly option for phone monitoring, complete with an included cable. Notably, DJI's flexibility extends to larger batteries for extended flight times beyond the standard 34 minutes. The Mini 4 Pro stands as a versatile and powerful tool for aerial creatives. Number 2. DJI Mini 2 SE. The Mini 2 SE, a subtle upgrade to the popular Mini SE, reflects DJI's nod to budget-conscious consumers, echoing the nomenclature strategy seen with Apple's lower-spec devices. Retaining the same casing as its predecessor, the Mini 2 SE features unchanged camera specifications. The notable improvement lies in the adoption of the O2 radio system, doubling bandwidth and extending the range to 10 km or 6.2 mi in the US, 6 km or 3.7 mi in other regions. This upgrade not only enhances video preview quality, but also introduces the RCN1 controller for a sturdier user experience. Ideal for drone novices, the 2.7K camera, while seemingly modest on paper, complements most phone screens, aided by a quality 3-axis gimbal for impressive stability. While lacking RAW support, manual exposure options add flexibility. The Mini 2 SE stands as an excellent entry-level drone with enhanced connectivity and reliable performance. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The closely related Mini 3 impresses as a more budget-friendly alternative to the Mini 3 Pro and Mini 4 Pro, maintaining the strengths of its predecessors. While the pricing sees a notable increase from the Mini 2, it provides enhanced wind resistance and extended battery life. Despite the elevated cost, the Mini 3 justifies itself by omitting less utilized features. Boasting impressive battery life and the ability to withstand breezy conditions, it captures 4K video in both portrait and landscape modes. DJI's strategic elimination of less essential features makes the Mini 3 a more palatable option for many, even if it's not considered cheap. Navigate obstacles wisely for an optimal flying experience. Number 4. DJI Avata. DJI's second FPV drone achieves a refined blend of form and function, striking a more balanced approach compared to its predecessor, while maintaining cost-effectiveness. Equipped with a 4K 60 FPS camera featuring a 1-axis powered stabilizer, it delivers excellent video quality, complemented by digital stabilization. The CineWhoop style frame enhances safety without the need for forward vision sensors, preserving the immersive FPV experience. A significant improvement over its forerunner, this drone is bundled with options, including the revised RC Motion 2 controller with added features and the DJI Goggles Integra, refreshed in March 20, 2023. Enthusiasts seeking the full FPV experience should budget for a separate stick-based controller to unleash the drone's complete potential, as the Motion or Motion 2 controller alone limits its capabilities. Number 5. DJI Air 3. Despite a slight increase in weight and a smaller image sensor, the DJI Air 2S remains an exceptional choice, now featuring 2 slightly smaller but modern stacked CMOS image sensors with cameras at normal, wide, and medium tele lengths, enhancing creative possibilities. Surpassing the Mavic 3 Classic in terms of affordability and weight, The Air 2S retains all the advanced features of the Mavic series, including version 5 of DJI's AI Pilot Assist, proficient subject tracking, obstacle avoidance, and the addition of waypoint mission planning. Perfect for those seeking a balance of weight, speed, and creative capabilities, the Air 2S excels in challenging environments. With a video-focused approach, it introduces a noteworthy portrait mode that utilizes the entire height of the sensor. This drone presents a compelling video-centric interpretation of the mid-tier brand, surpassing its predecessor, the Air 2S. Wondering which DJI drone reigns supreme? The truth is, it depends on your needs. For portability and ease, the Mini 3 Pro is a champ. But if you crave pro-level footage, the Mavic 3 Pro takes the crown. Watch the full video to find your perfect match.